Speaker, distinguished sponsor, will the Filipino taxpayers expect to pay these debts forever? This portion of the budget represents money that could have been allocated for government projects that can actually reach the Filipino people. Our outstanding debt level will just continue to post new record highs because of continued budget deficits that will be financed by the additional borrowings. What is the plan of our government to offset these borrowings? Ano mga plano natin, no? At least, do we have a catch-up plan na every year na tumataas na lang itong ating borrowings, no? When will stop, no? And the Filipino people hindi na nararamdaman yung ang kanilang buhay dahil nga ito, patas ng patas ang ating utang, yung kanilang buhay hindi naman nagbabago. So this is the time, Mr. Speaker, na malaman na naka-live tayo, malaman ng ating mga kababayan, itong mga utang ng ginagawa natin, Mr. Speaker, Madam Sponsor, ay nakakatulong ba ito sa ating mga ordinaryong kababayan?